Hi, I'm Jack Makuda. I'm Jack Bolton. I'm Caleb South.
Jacob, explain the water cycle to me.
Well, it's like, it starts in like the lake, a river, an ocean, and then the sun hits it, and it goes to the clouds, and it comes back down.
Thanks, Jacob. What is a watershed?
A watershed? Isn't it like a place where you keep water?
Okay, Benicio, what is the water cycle?
Oh, that's a good question. Well, first off, you have rain, and then that rain collects. And then once you have the collection of rain, that rain that is collected, it evaporates, and then that vapor turns into clouds. And then that cloud turns into rain, and then that rain collects, and then once you collect that collection turns into vapor, and then that vapor turns into cloud. And that just happens forever.
Like a cycle?
Like a cycle.
Do you know what a watershed is?
A watershed?
Yes.
It's probably somewhere where you go to hide from the water. It's a shed.
Close enough.
With this cable, and this cable, can you describe to us what a watershed is?
Something water comes out of.
Arnie, is it okay if we ask you some questions about the water cycle?
Sure.
Okay, you can't say no. Okay, so here with Mrs. Stetson, and Mrs. Stetson, can you describe what the water cycle is?
It's when you like your precipitation and like condensation. And my teacher was like, and all that. You just made really good grades. I think you can do it.
Mr. Stark, hold on, let me get a better position. Okay, so here we were with Mr. Stark, and he asked me a few questions about the water cycle. Mr. Stark, can you describe to us the water cycle?
Where water evaporates from lakes and rivers and the ocean and goes up in the air and forms clouds and condensation takes it down as rain.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Okay, so here we're with Mrs. Burks, and Mrs. Burks, can you describe what a watershed is?
I think a watershed is a place where water collects, like the thing by Chick-fil-A, the big rectangular thing that holds water that overflows. I think that's a watershed. That's my best answer.
Thank you.
It's okay.
Here we are, Lake Houston, site of destructive flooding in Kingwood as a result of Hurricane Harvey. The water cycle, which has caused the devastation of businesses, homes, and wildlife in Kingwood. The lake is what we know as a watershed, a place lower than the surrounding areas in which water comes in and settles. Kingwood was flooded when the watershed became completely full and the dams surrounding it were released, releasing the overflow into Kingwood. Streets were flooded, homes were destroyed, and people's possessions were carried away.
Please, have a seat. So, the water cycle. As you can tell, it is raining, or what some of us like to call precipitating. Precipitation is what rain, snow, sleet, hail, anything else that comes down from the clouds when it gets too heavy. And it lands and is called runoff as it goes into lakes or other surrounding bodies of water like puddles and such. From there, the sun hits it and it gets hot, and as it gets hotter, it evaporates, turns into steam, and goes up into the clouds. Once it is back into the clouds, it condenses, and it is condensation, which is what forms a cloud. And when the cloud gets too heavy, it is when the rain or precipitation falls back to earth. And it is a cycle because it keeps on going. Thank you.